Let's get practical and fix those connection drops. First, access your Rogers router settings, typically at 192.168.0.1, using a web browser. Look for the Wi-Fi settings. For channel selection, use a Wi-Fi Analyzer app on your smartphone or computer to scan for less congested channels in both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. The 5 GHz band generally offers more non-overlapping channels and less interference. Manually set your router to use a less crowded channel. Ensure your devices connect to the 5 GHz network whenever possible. Modern routers often have a band steering feature that automatically encourages this. Keep your router away from walls, metal objects, and other electronics that can cause interference. If you have a large home, a mesh Wi-Fi system can extend coverage and reduce dead zones. Don't forget to regularly check for firmware updates from Rogers, as they often include improvements to Wi-Fi performance and stability.